And we lost our chippies.
Yeah, we lost our...
He's gonna get sad. He has a purse. Where's that? Malcolm, why are you whispering?
Oh, sorry. Let's see.
What? He's trying to do his eye, not his ear. What do you think it is? I think it's her purse.
Wait, let me see. Let me try.
You don't need it. I think it's the girl's purse. She pretends that she doesn't have an umbrella so they can be together. Find these strange but
I think I know.
then press it. You don't need to do that. I think maybe, I don't know. She is an alien.
She only has 4 fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, she's an alien. It says, the picture.
The arm. No, the arm.
No, I think it's the picture, because look, he's with a different girl in that picture.
She never lets me.
I think it's those ghost people.
Yeah. So she's running away.
Strange pose, but cute. Find the strange spot. I think I see it in the background. You see that person? Dang it.
What's that?
Her feet. And
I thought there was...
bro, what is it?
She never lets me touch her.
I think it's maybe her fingernails. Gals don't read.
Dolls?
Gals, that means girls. I can read if I want to. I like reading. She has 2 pencils. Tastes like pencil. What the heck? I think it's her.
Yeah.
Teacher shotgun. What do you mean? I think it's
Please don't divorce.
maybe it's the airplane. The airplane is must having a time traveling. I think it's the girl behind them. The girl behind them is creepy.
She has 2 scrunchies.
So?
Wait.
Seems like everyone will discuss about this photo. Oh, it's their feet. I thought it's because he had one of her shoes on. What?
Oh, should I...
Huh? I don't get it, bro. Wow, there is a portal to Paris.
Oh my gosh.
It's her eyes.
Yeah.
She looks kind of weird. She does.
I know.
Why do they all have different color eyes? If I feel like it's her, oh my gosh. Maybe her fingers?
I
don't
think,
No.
feel like it's one of these people. I feel like it's her.
Try her. I'm just gonna try all of them.
Yeah.
I'm like trying to guess what it is. What is it? I don't know.
It's her. It has to be her.
I feel like it's her though. I knew it. Where is her little finger? Oh, I thought she was going like this. Look.
I didn't even see that. I looked at her, but I didn't see it. Wait.
I feel like it's that face on there.
What the heck?
What is that pattern on the clothes?
This.
Why?
No, I mean like
Mark
it's
and I are about to have
Let's try her. What? Do you know?
no.
What the heck? Maybe it's her legs? Okay, let's try. I don't know what this would be.
Wait.
Hint. Listening.
Look. No, I didn't.
No, one of the hints said listening, like listening to something.
Generation.
Listening.
What is the guy holding?
She doesn't have an ear, I think. Where are her ears?
It has to be.
Oh, there's a roach on the ground.
Wait, so?
Ew, cockroach.
Her armpits.
Wow, that's a hairy armpit. I like how they say stuff funny. Nice. That's a knife.
Her hand.
Oh, what? How? Goodbye, I need no one. Oh, she's pushing
I know.
me.
What's that?
I know. You know why? So
Because
his face and then
I
his
know.
see-through
I know.
her phone. Is she dating with an old man? Oh.
I feel like it's on her. Her eyes. Her eyes are creepy. Wait. Is that...
What the heck?
Wait.
Hey,
Hold on,
yo,
I think I know.
behind them. Oh, that's just a trick. I need a hint. It's so hard on this one. Pitch black. His
Her
eyes.
eyes.
His.
I was thinking her.
Aren't we cute? I think
Her
it's
lip. What? Oh, wait, repeat. Chris, what's that on the hot dog? What's that on the hot dog?
fruit. But maybe they'll be like, ew, fruit hot dog. I bet it won't.
Where are her lips? Where are her lips?
I think it's, let's see, maybe the window. I'm just gonna check a hint. Adam's apple. Huh? Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Where's an apple, bro? Maybe these are apples? Look for an apple. What's that? Why does it scream even if it isn't, like, scary? I just did. Why she has an Adam's apple?
What the heck?
Lachlan, I just went right there. I didn't know that was it. I just went right there. Oh, keep going. I need water.
I don't. Wait a minute. Hold on. Her eyes are creepy.
How?
Her eyes are creepy.
That is the Beast and the Handsome. What? That is the
That's a beast.
and the Handsome.
The Beast and the Handsome.
That's not the Beauty and the Beast. Ayo, I know.
What? Probably the picture.
Maybe.
Wait. Try.
Keep trying. I still need water.
Okay.
Did you find it?
No. Wait. I think I know what it is.
Imagine you're
Why is there a tree in a room?
Because it's a plant that goes in your room. And tell us. That is a wrong spell for a color. What? That is a wrong spell for color. Oh, now I know what that means. I think it's her
Wait.
nails. I was about to say her nails, but they're both blue. Oh! I know.
What?
You pressed on the phone. That's what I was gonna do. So she was holding the phone, but both of her hands were like this.
So?
Look.
Oh.
She's holding the phone, but her hands are like this
Oh.
on a video. Well, that is impossible for.
But I pressed the button.
This selfie, cause she's holding the hand, and then
She's holding the hand. Her tongue.
what a cute tongue. Hey, just to see teacher's body. Mom. Hey, Mom, her face.
I accidentally said her teeth.
Stop cheating. You are being kicked out from the school. We have enough time to do homework until the video's done.
Is it her?
No. You know. Okay, go.
Who is that?
Okay, bye, guys.